Good morning from Kamakura, Japan. On this Saturday, October 2nd, another beautiful day, 17 degrees Celsius, 62.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So, you have a good time walking this morning, Spunky? Huh? A lot of fun. Spunky met a lot of new friends. We'll show you that a little bit later. First, I want to see how the okra is held up. Looks pretty good. We had a typhoon come through yesterday. It wasn't a direct hit, but we did get a lot of the winds from the outer bands of the storm. I'm glad I staked them. That helped a lot. I don't see any damage. No fallen fruit. But then again, no fruit ready to be picked. This one here can wait a little while. Nice to see we've got more flowers coming in. I think I may just wait to get this one tomorrow, Sunday. And this one here probably grow a bit too. Had a nice full day of rain yesterday, so don't need to water anything. What you doing? Huh? What's up, Spunky? Well, let me show you this here while we're over here. Notice how the hydrangeas, the petals, have turned pink. Yeah, once they totally dry up, I'll come back and clip the tops off to regenerate growth for next spring. Let's go. So the peppers are doing okay. Starting to dry up, that's fine. How's the herb tower? Okay, not bad. And the fennel seeds should be good too. And our papaya has fared quite well. And over here we got a brand new stalk coming out. Okay, I want to take a peek at the lower garden, see how that's doing. Just a short peek. Okay, I don't see any tomatoes ready to be picked. Nope, that's okay. I'll come back in a couple days or so. Yeah, no worries. You can see the samurai toad lily has made its way all the way over to here. From over by the window where it normally is. Once again, here's a close-up of the samurai toad lily. Wonderful sage and rosemary. Yeah, some of you may remember I transplanted the rosemary back in the spring, and it didn't do so well. It didn't take to the new pH very well. But it got used to it and has recovered quite nicely. And it looks like we have some strawberries forming. Actually, I think I'll leave it uncovered until I start to see some fruits. Okay, ready for a walk? Let's go. Come on, let's go. This is rather dangerous. This branch fell and sticking out into the road. It could come along this way and really mess up their car. That's better.そうですね。気持ちいい。おはようございます。おはようございます。 Another wonderful walk along with Spunky on this Saturday morning. Met a lot of Spunky's friends, a lot of my friends too. And it's very cool, very pleasant, a nice autumn morning, 17 degrees. Well, that's about it for us for today. Thanks for coming along. Have a great weekend. Till we meet again, do take care. Bye-bye.